come make this Jack Skellington wreath with me. These were the supplies I started with. However, I ended up not using the Happy Halloween sign and I had to purchase more felt and a ribbon because I didn't have enough. Okay, I have to be honest here, this video was incredibly hard to make and I have to give some serious respect to those DIY crafters out there who can make a great craft and video in one take because I really struggled here. First off, I didn't have enough ribbon, so I had to go get more before I could complete this ribbon wrap around the pool noodle. Apparently, I needed 30 feet and I only had 15. Also, my glue gun freaking sucks, which I realize every time I use it, but I always forget until I'm actually using it. I burned myself several times and I wasted a ton of glue. This project was pretty tedious and took a lot of time, just in case you're wondering. But I do love the end result as I just love the Pumpkin King, so I would definitely say it was worth it. Here we have his face, so we're cutting out the eyeballs and then we'll cut out the little teeny tiny nose holes and his mouth, which again was very tedious and took some time to make, but totally worth it. Here I'm cutting up strips of felt to use as these little roll up, like, I don't know, they almost look like flowers or something. Super cute. They're just gonna make a ton of them to put all over the wreath. Here we are cutting out his collar that's gonna go right underneath his face and neck on the wreath. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can always cut it down later. You can just, revamp it a little bit as you go. I think it was too floppy for me, so I wanted to reinforce the back, which I thought would be perfect to use popsicle sticks, which it really did work. Here I added some little embellishments and made the little cat on his collar. Next, it was time to glue on all these little flower thingies. I'm not even really sure what you would call them. They're just cute little rollers. I don't know. I saw it on Etsy, so I thought I would make one just like the one that I wanted to buy. And then now I'm adding these bones because they were just some cute extras that I had, and I thought, might as well use them, right? And here he is, the Pumpkin King. I know he's not my usual content, but I still wanted to share the process of creating him. What do you think?